Hi everyone! Mother's Day is just around the corner. So today I want to share with you a very simple yet delicious recipe to make mango sago pudding. This dessert is light and refreshing. You get chewy sago, mango bits mixed in with fragrant coconut milk. First, let's cook the sago. Once the water is boiling, add in the sago. Remember to cook it on medium heat. You want the water to be bubbling like this so that the sago doesn't sink to the base and get stuck to the pot. Keep the pot uncovered and then let it cook for about 15 minutes. Then cover the pot and let it sit for about 10 minutes. So when the sago is cooked, it will change to a translucent color. Then remove the excess water. Now pour some drinking water to stop the cooking process. Use a spoon to stir the sago to remove any excess water. Pour the sago into any cup or glass, then flatten the top. Place in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours. Now let's prep the coconut milk mixture. I'm using fresh coconut because I want the flesh as well, but if you can't get hold of fresh coconut, you can use the packed ones instead. Add coconut water, coconut milk, sugar, pinch of salt, pandan leaves. Twist it slightly to release the aroma. Let it cook on low heat until it begins to release steam. Stir occasionally, and once you see the liquid starts to steam, it's done. Remove the pandan leaves. Sieve the liquid. Then place in the fridge to chill. So I've cut these mangoes into cubes. Place a cling wrap over it so that it doesn't oxidize and change to a dull color. And place them in the fridge to chill. Now the sago is set. I'm just gonna unmold it. Run the knife along the edges of the cup. And it should release easily. Add some mango. Coconut milk. Oh, it looks so good. You can also add some evaporated milk for some color. I almost forgot the coconut flesh. And that's it. It's so easy. Can't wait to try this. This is so good. So if you and your mom love to eat sago, do try this recipe. To all the lovely mothers, happy Mother's Day, and to my mom, happy Mother's Day, Mom. See you next time.